Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide likes on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone and I'm going to show you how we can hide likes we have made on Instagram and how to hide like counts on Instagram. Alright, first of all, we can go to our profile, click on this profile button, and if you want to hide a like count of each post on your Instagram profile, you just need to select a post that you want to hide the like count on. And I'm gonna go with this post. We can click on the three dots, and here we can click on hide like count. Okay, like this, and the like count of this post will be hidden. And I'm going to show you how we can hide likes we have made on Instagram. We can go to this Instagram setting, we can click on these three lines and click on likes you have made. Click on this likes you have made option, and here you have to select don't allow anyone to see likes, so the likes you have made on Instagram will be hidden from anyone. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to show you how to hide like and share counts. So we can click on like and share counts right here. And you have to click on this toggle button to hide like and share counts of Instagram posts. And you can read the description right here. And alright guys, that's how we can hide likes on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.